If you keep doing the same things every day and expecting your life to change, you're not stuck because you're unlucky. You're stuck because you're following the wrong strategy. And the worst part? Most people don't even realize it. They think working harder is the answer. They think more effort will fix everything. But in reality, effort without the right direction is just wasted time. Right now, there are two types of people. The first type works hard every single day. They wake up early, they stay busy, they feel productive, but they never move forward. The second type, they focus on one thing, leverage, and that's the strategy nobody teaches you. Leverage means doing something once and getting paid multiple times. It means using tools, skills, or systems so your effort multiplies instead of staying linear. Let me explain. If you work a normal job, you trade time for money. You work 1 hour, you get paid for 1 hour. That's it. No matter how hard you try, there is a limit. But when you learn leverage, everything changes. For example, one piece of content can reach thousands of people. One skill can be sold to multiple clients. One idea can generate income again and again. That's the difference. The problem is, most people stay stuck in the time for money trap. They scroll all day, consume content, watch others succeed, but never build anything themselves. And slowly, they start believing that success is only for lucky people. But it's not. It's just strategy. If I had to start over today, I wouldn't focus on working harder. I would focus on building leverage. I would learn a skill that can be used online, something simple but valuable. Then I would use that skill to create content, or offer services, or build something that can scale. Because once you understand this, you stop thinking like an employee. You start thinking like someone who builds assets. And assets are what make you free. Not motivation, not luck, not even hard work alone. So if you feel stuck right now, it's not because you're not trying, it's because you're missing the one strategy that changes everything: leverage. Learn it, use it, and your entire life will start to shift. Ignore it, and you'll keep repeating the same cycle over and over again. Follow me if you want to stop wasting time and start playing the game the right way.